Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 18 of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I'm here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditations, self-care techniques, and more. So today we are going to do a meditation that is focused on a little bit of guided imagery. So simply put, we are going to focus on an image in our mind as we focus on our thoughts. So what you may need for this practice is just a comfortable seat. So find your comfortable seat and we will get started. All right, so we're gonna start seated, and I'm just gonna sit up on my pillow. As I said before, you can use your pillow, blanket, or something to make your seat comfortable for you. A pillow, block, bolster. And once you find your comfortable seat, go ahead and let your knees come down towards the mat as you're sitting in a cross-legged position. Hands can rest on your knees or your thighs, whichever feels better for you in this moment. And then sit tall in your spine so your head and neck, everything is in line and reaching up through the crown of your head towards the ceiling. We'll start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And here you can either find a focal point in front of you to focus on, or you can close your eyes. And since we're going through a guided imagery meditation, it may be a little better to close your eyes in the moment so you can fully imagine yourself and immerse yourself into this meditation. So we'll begin thinking of ourselves as a tree rooted into the ground. So as we're sitting tall, imagine that your hips are rooted into the ground. This is our foundation. And our upper body and arms are the tree bark and branches. And just imagining ourselves as a strong tree. And as we're imagining this, continue to take deep, full breaths. And now adding the focus to our thoughts, we're still acknowledging that in this moment, our body is a strong tree that is rooted into the ground. So we are stable, we are unmovable in this moment. But notice how thoughts continue to flood in. And maybe they come and go in seconds, maybe they come and go in milliseconds. We know that we have 100 thoughts a minute, so it's very easy to imagine all of these thoughts coming in and out quickly. So one way we can kind of contain our thoughts or think about them a little more mindfully is imagining that our branches from our tree are where our thoughts come to land. So we can think of our thoughts as the birds that are flying around in the sky. And as they spot our branches, they come and land for a short period of time, maybe a long period of time, depending on what the thought is. So as the thought comes in, it lands on your branch. And maybe as the thought goes away, it starts to fly away. So your thoughts come in, your bird lands, it sits for a little bit, and as it goes away, your bird flies away. And it's just a reminder that in this present moment, we are still here, we are still living this life, and our thoughts are going to come and go. But they don't have to sway the moment. They don't have to take you out of the moment. You can remain right where you are and acknowledge your thoughts. Let the birds fly in and let them fly away. And maybe you take notice that some birds stay longer than others, and that's okay. Maybe you notice that there are some birds or some thoughts that come in that aren't really welcome in your space, in your mind, and that's okay. You can always tell them to go away. So we're just acknowledging each thought that comes in, not having too much judgment towards those thoughts, and we're allowing them to go when they need to. Continue your breath. And if you find that there are too many birds on the branch, maybe focus on the first 3 or 4 that come to land. Allow the others to land in other spaces of your mind. And acknowledging that we're still here in this moment, allow the birds to come in one more time, one last flight in. They can stay for a moment. And then allow them all to fly away. And once they've all left, take flight in the sky again. Bring your attention back to your breath, back to your body. We are still this same tree, the same strong tree rooted deep in the ground. And we'll start to come back into this room, back into the moment. From here, you can start to blink your eyes open. Readjusting your posture if you needed to. I know as we went through the meditation, you may have relaxed a little bit, and that's okay. And we're going to end as we started with our 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And that's it for day 18. And now I want to hear from you. How did you experience this meditation? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And this is a great time to do a short reflection of your meditation. So whether you choose to just sit and think about it for a few minutes, or you can choose to write it down. And please don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true. But most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 18 of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey.